Hey everyone, it's going to take a minute to go over the week 3 critical thinking issue assignment. All right, we're covering chapters 4 and 5. This critical thinking issue comes specifically from the end of chapter 5. Don't forget this is a file submission, so you're going to have to upload some sort of file with your answers typed in. Easiest thing is to use my Word document attached to the instructions, but do it however it's been working for you. The first thing you're going to need to do is to read the introductory information at the beginning of the chapter 5 critical thinking issue perspectives on gun control. So you give a little introductory information before you read the first article. So make sure you read that introductory part. Number 2, then you're going to read the first article. Read Stop Worrying About Guns in the Classroom. They're Already Here by Eric Gilbert. And then you're going to answer these 3 questions. After you read that one, you're going to read the second one, which is testimony by Mark Kelly, Senate Judiciary Committee hearing on gun violence on January 30th, 2013. This is it's from the Senate hearing, right? And then you're going to answer these 4 questions, right? Then after you've read both of them and answered the questions, you're going to answer these 2 questions. So critically analyze both Gilbert's and Kelly's positions for fallacies. Which person makes the strongest argument regarding gun control measures? Support your answer. Again, this is not necessarily what your position is, but just who made the stronger argument. Because I can look at 2 arguments and say, I agree, because I've already done research and I've already formed my own opinion. I actually agree with person B, but in terms of who presented the better argument, person A actually did, right? So not necessarily your perspective. It is, who do you think presented the stronger argument? And then B, in ATA's annual campus security policy and campus crime statistics report, the policy for weapons on campus states the following. Bringing a weapon onto school property is strictly prohibited. In order to protect all our students, ATA Career Education reserves the right to search any person and their vehicle who is suspected of concealing a firearm or other weapon. Any student involved in this activity will be terminated from the school and reported to the authorities. Do you agree with this policy? Why or why not? Right? Okay. So, interesting information here. 2 very interesting perspectives on gun control. It's very interesting. So, read the introductory part, read the first article, answer the questions, read Mark Kelly's testimony, answer the questions, and then answer the 2 questions after you've read both of them. Okay? Reach out if you have questions. Otherwise, do your best to have it in by Sunday night.